Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. I am working with my May 2021 Hip Kits and I'm creating a layout for Product Focus Wednesday using the Obed Marshall map pattern paper from his new collection Buenos Dias with American Crafts. So I am actually going to use both of the pages from the same pattern paper. We do normally get the pattern papers from that come in the main kit as well as the paper kit. So I am going to use both of them. One is going to be completely fussy cut. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm going to add some adhesive foam on the back of this pieces, and then I'm going to stick them on top of the second page. I am also going to use that that's third page with the second pattern from the same collection Buenos Dias it's going to add some details on the layout. So I am getting rid of about 1/2 inch on each side of the paper since I'm going to create a border with another sheet of pattern paper and a piece of cardstock. And for that background, I'm using one of Paige Evans' pattern papers from her Wonders collection, also with American Crafts. Using the yellow cardstock for the border. And then before I adhere those pieces, I'm going to add some machine stitching details. And now I'm adding the double-sided tape on the back of the pattern paper that goes on the cardstock, and then I will repeat the process and adding some double-sided tape on the cardstock to stick it to the pink pattern paper. Adding the adhesive foam onto each one of the pieces from the map and then adhering that to my background. And some super thin double-sided tape, super thin, super sticky double-sided tape to adhere that piece on at the bottom. Playing with the edges there. I will do the exact same thing with the piece that goes on the top left corner. And now all I'm gonna do now is just decorate. So I'm going to create a cluster with my photo, and that's going to go in the middle but towards the right of the page, and then a couple of beautiful hearts that will go on the left. I'm using the Jane Hatfield foam stickers. That would be my main title there. And here you see the hearts, and the hearts represent the places where we are from, or the countries where we're from. And now we will add some flowers and leaves to complete that cluster. This is one sticker from the Pink Fresh Studio collection that we get with our kits. We're also going to add a Paige Evans banner. I think the main thing for me was to show the maps, to make sure that the map was really visible and that you can't see all the details. It is a beautiful pattern paper. And then just the photo with a cluster and a super short journaling. And that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I finished, you can see the details. I added some glossy accents to each one of the tiny circles or tiles from that piece of pattern paper at the bottom and the top left of the page. Make sure that you check the blog and the Facebook page today for more inspiration. And also don't forget to share all the projects that you make with our beautiful kids on our Facebook group. This was Andrea for Hip Kid Club, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.